Okay. Here we have got, what is this? Sodium bicarbonate. Huh? Sodium bicarbonate is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. CO3 is carbonate, H is hydrogen, so it's sodium hydrogen carbonate, or sometimes known as sodium bicarbonate, aka common name is
Baking soda.
baking soda. Okay, that's good. So you notice that this baking soda, when I hit this, nothing seems to happen. When I hit this, or I hit it, hit it here. Yeah, hit the white portion here. Hit the white portion. It remains white, right? Hit the white portion only. Just hit the white portion. It remains white. Huh? So, how do we know there is a decomposition? Hit the white portion only. The white portion. How do we know there's a decomposition? So what we can do is we can use this cobalt chloride paper, which is pink right now. Pink means the water has gone in. We don't want the water to go in, so we take one strip of cobalt chloride paper, and then we warm this. And we warm this, then the cobalt chloride paper becomes what color? If we warm this, the cobalt chloride paper becomes blue. That means the cobalt chloride paper has now no moisture over this. Can you see? It becomes blue. Yes or no? Okay. This blue cobalt chloride paper is a test. When it comes in contact with water, it will turn back to pink, like this. Okay? Alright. So now I know that there is water coming out from here. But how do I know that there is water coming out from here? I use a cobalt chloride paper, the blue cobalt chloride paper, and I hold it over here. Can you see? And when I hold it over here, can you see it's becoming to turn pink? Huh? Yes or no? See? It's turning pink right now. If I put it longer, you see, water vapor is something that we cannot see. So if we cannot see, we can detect it by using blue cobalt chloride paper, which now turns pink. So that is a test for the presence of water vapor. Okay? The blue cobalt chloride paper turns pink. Now the other test for carbon dioxide is to take a delivery tube, hold it tight, take a delivery tube and continue to hit, continue to hit, okay? And then with whatever comes out, again we cannot see, whatever comes out has got carbon dioxide. Okay, can you see? There'll be a gas coming out. Still a gas coming out. No carbon dioxide coming out. Okay. What we should do now is we should put in more powder baking soda. Okay, more baking soda. Because the baking soda was in one lump, which was not very good, so we put in some more. We put in some more baking soda. Oh. Open, open, open. Open. Don't touch it. Yeah. We put in some more baking soda. There was no more baking soda. This one. Okay. Come. F1 the flame. Hold it at the angle like that. Yeah. Angle. Yeah. While I put in the actually, hold it a bit higher. Actually, you can see that there are some water vapor here. Huh? So just now, even without testing, with carbon chloride paper, we will also know that water is from here. Huh? Come on. Carbon dioxide. You are trying to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor, but water vapor has come off already. What happened to the carbon dioxide? Not so good, huh? Carbon dioxide. Come on.
Some of it already came out.
Sorry?
Some of it already came out.
Yeah, some of it changed yellow now. But how come I want the carbon dioxide to come up? Will it be higher? Yeah. Not so much carbon dioxide is coming out actually. But it's beginning to turn yellow. Huh? It's beginning to turn yellow. Because if carbon dioxide is acidic, you will find that this green UI will turn yellow. Yeah, how come it doesn't turn yellow? Oh, yeah. Is it turning yellow? It's beginning to turn yellow, right? Is it turning yellow? Oh, yeah. Is it turning yellow? Yeah, open the test tube holder. Open the test tube holder. I'll hold it. The carbon dioxide here is not very much. Yeah, it's beginning to turn yellow. This part is yellow, or the part in the delivery tube. Can you see? A little bit yellowish. Okay lah. It's a bit yellowish. But if you use UI, it just shows that the gas is acidic, but it need not necessarily be carbon dioxide. It could be something else. Okay, so this is a little bit yellowish right here. Can you see? Now, let's see whether we can produce another acidic gas. But this time we are going to heat something else. We are going to heat this. This is blue crystals of copper 2 sulfate. Can you see if I heat the blue crystals of copper 2 sulfate, water will come out and also it can deliver a gas. Let's see whether we can get the gas. Yeah. Now we are hitting blue crystals of, bring it nearer to the camera. Bring it nearer to the camera. Or I can bring the camera nearer to that. What do you see? What do you see? Take it out to observe. What do you see? You see that the blue crystals will turn, the blue crystal turns white, right? It not only turns white, but it also turns a little bit dark. Can you see? It turns black right at a certain point. Does it turn black? And some part of it becomes black. I open that, yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake it a little bit. And we see that this turns a little bit blackish. And you know what? The UI turns a little bit yellowish and red. And what we have here is another acidic gas known as sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Can you see? Wow, this one is really red, reddish. Can you see? Reddish. In fact, this top part is so red. This top part is so red. The bottom is yellow and orange, right? Huh? Yeah. Okay. We don't want to let this cold water go in. And now you got these three colors, almost three colors. Oh. And this one, the blue copper sulfate has become, part of it has become black. Can you see? Now the decomposition is quite drastic. Decomposition, we need to learn the chemistry of this, but let me tell you what is actually happened. The crystals of blue copper 2 sulfate has water of crystallization. So that water of crystallization is observed at the top part of the test tube here, right? Can you see? And then it turns into anhydrous, white anhydrous copper 2 sulfate. Without water, this copper 2 sulfate is no more blue, it's white. And this white anhydrous copper sulfate will then further decompose to copper 2 oxide, which is your black solid there. And the copper 2 oxide is formed as well as sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. And sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide is acidic, as you can see. So there's a lot of chemistry in the heating of the blue crystals of copper 2 sulfate. We will deal with the chemical equations after we finish the experiment. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.